In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send Slack messages in Make. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add the Slack module, connect your workspace, and compose a message that can include dynamic data from the rest of your scenario. Start in your scenario editor in Make. Click the plus icon to add a module, then search for Slack. From the list of available actions, choose Create a Message. This is the module that posts a message to a channel or sends a direct message based on what you choose next. Before it can send anything, Make needs permission to access your Slack workspace. Click Add to create a connection. You'll be asked to pick a connection type. Choose Slackbot if you want your messages to look like they're coming from an app or bot, which is perfect for automated alerts and status updates. Choose User if you want the messages to appear as if they were sent by your own account, following your user permissions and name. After selecting the type, a Slack window opens asking for authorization. Review the scopes, then click Allow. Once the connection shows as active, you're ready to configure the message. In the Channel field, decide where your message will go. You can target a public channel, a private channel, or a direct message. If you're posting to a private channel, make sure the Slack app you authorized is allowed in that channel. Otherwise, the message won't land. For direct messages, select the individual recipient. Depending on your workspace policies, certain destinations may require a user-based connection rather than a bot. If an option doesn't appear, switch the connection type and try again. You can pick from the drop-down or type to search for the channel or person. Now write your message in the text field. You can type a simple note or personalize it with data from earlier modules. Click into the text box to open the mapping panel and insert fields like a customer name, a ticket number, or a due date pulled from your trigger or previous steps. Consider adding context so your team understands the alert at a glance, and keep the most important details near the top. Slack supports basic formatting and emojis, so feel free to add structure and tone where it helps clarity. That's all you need. Save your scenario, and when it runs, the Slack module will post exactly where you specified with the text you composed, including any mapped data. If you ever change your use case, you can switch the connection type or destination without rebuilding the entire scenario.